my channel once again. How has been your days? And I really want to appreciate the way you are watching this video. I remain Coach Fat Joe, your boy, your guy that is giving you some of the instructions, that are spiritual instructions every day. And I'm going to go straight to the point. Look at your life. Do you really like the position that you are now? Look at it. Look at it. Do you really like? Do you really? I don't think you have seen people that have abused you before, or cursed you before, or saying you are worthless. That it's like you don't have a destiny to fulfill. Or people have been looking. Look at your neighbor. They are making it, but you remain like that. Look at your life. It's not moving forward. But you see others moving forward. You see things working out for them. Some are 2 to 3 children. Your friends, oh, but you don't have pregnancy. And you are living fine in your husband's house. People will be abusing you up and down year by year. They are doing Christmas. They are doing this. Joy of celebration is supposed to be in your family, in your life, but it's not working for you. Relax. It is not anybody's doing. Look at your business. Some of the business are not working. Why? Your own is not working. Your friend's own worked very well with testimony. Don't worry. I did not say I've come to cancel some things, but you are the one that will cancel it by yourself. And that is curse. Then you go to church. Pastor will tell you that the only thing that can cancel curse is blood of Jesus. And this is real. Blood of Jesus. But some have undergone a lot of deliverance. 5 times, 7 times, 10 times, using the same blood of Jesus, but they are still seeing themselves at that same circle of poverty. They're still moving like that. They are still in the same position. Have you ever asked yourself what is going on? I've told you in this channel that it's not a religious that, oh yeah, clap your hands, oh yeah, shout. Abi must that you call Muhammad to this. No, it is purely God, having faith in God, and using all what God has created. And basically, we are using salt today. You will say salt again. It's sea salt. Hey, that sea salt work like magic. Sea salt that you are looking at, God created them. That's what you talk about, power of the universe. If you have the power of the universe, the law of nature, these are the nature. If you can understand the law of nature, and you can get the power of attraction, wealth will come to you, deliverance will come to you. I didn't say you are not using the blood of Jesus very well, or you are not calling some Islamic recitation very well. No, I'm not here for that. This is my hand. I'm not here for that. But I'm here to teach you what will benefit you. This is what is going to happen. Anytime you are free to bath and to break that course, what you are going to do is to follow just 3 things. Man can do this, woman can do this. If you say, I'm not going to do it, I'll flip out to another channel. Have you considered your children? Have you considered these children? It's generational curse we are talking about. From great-grandfather to grandfather, from grandfather to you. You can see how the curse will be flying. So the best thing is to break it right now and lose free. Let your helper now start connecting with you. Let people that will help you will start connecting with you. Because if you don't start it now, if you don't pray your way out now, it will affect you and affect your future. Look at these children. They are beautiful children that you have. Look at your husband. Yeah, they are beautiful, handsome husband, beautiful wives that you have. So why are you delaying not following these procedures? For once, that's not costing you anything. Not cost. Look at what Jesus Christ did. All the miracle Jesus Christ did in the Bible, does it cost them? He didn't. He did not cost them. Okay, some, you may just put his hand on them and say, behold, open your eyes and you will see. Not cost anybody. What I want to tell you too, I don't say, this is my account number. Send this offering, send this tithes. Why am I doing it? I don't want to do it. I want to teach you. Do it yourself. That's what this channel is all about. Do it yourself. I'm not going to come here to bath for you. I'm not going to go there to feed you. I'm not going to go there to wake you up in the night. It is you that will tell, you will settle with your destiny, settle with your maker. I want to do this at the same time, and I believe God that God will do it for me, and it works like magic. It works like magic. Now let's go back to it. Let's go straight to it. And if you want to go straight to it, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and comment at the end of this video. And if you have any question or anything that is bothering you and you cannot share with man, sometimes if you are passing through some spiritual problem, some cannot share with their husband or you cannot share with your wife. It is you yourself. Don't worry, just chat me up. You see my this thing there, Gmail, coachfatjoe@gmail.com. Just chat me. I'm going to reply you. I'm going to reply. Don't worry, because this channel is meant for you. Now, let me go straight. Now, straight away, what you need is just salt. I have told you, get the buckets you want to use to bath. And I want you to do it in the morning. If you are going out, you will see wonders working. If you have prepared the water you want to bath there, I didn't say you should go and read Psalm this, or you want to go read Psalm that. No. What you're going to do, just prepare water. You know it's ordinary water, prepare the water. Then take that sea salt, 4 spoons. 4 spoons. Just take 1 spoon, put it inside the water. 2nd spoon, put it there. 3rd, put it there. 4th, put it there. Then you place the salt somewhere and you close the bathroom, the door, and you want to bath. Mix the salts with the water. It's as if you are in the sea. Just put it together. You know, if you cannot go to the sea, then sea must come to you because you get this salt from the sea. So that's what I'm trying to, if you really do want to do, because I know that faith can work. Faith will work for you. I can say, okay, go to the sea and bath. That one is dangerous. Some people will take sea water and go and bath. But if you can do it like that, sea salt, mix it with your ordinary water. Just mix it. Then there are 3 instructions that I want to give you. If you are doing it, don't tell anybody that you want to do it. Don't tell. You can prepare the water even from the kitchen or from your store. Just put it like that. Put your normal water into the bathroom that you want to bath. If you are using jacuzzi or those people that are using this thing, you can't use it. You can't do it there. Get a bucket. Something that will work. All this, I want to be inside that. I want to put this and lie down the bath too. Don't need it. Get that bucket. Put your water there. Then put that salt. After that, you will, when you are bathing from up to down, not from down to up. I will explain this. That's a 2nd instruction. Bath from up to down. What does that mean by up to down? When you are bathing like this, when water from your head like this, make sure you spend more time there. Bath. Spend more time on that head. Don't say, some people, as soon as they pour water on their body, they go down. They go down again to wash their leg. They will now come up like this. Do like this. No. The instruction is like, you will. I didn't say you should say anything. Don't say anything. Inside your heart, you'll be saying, what you'll be saying, I break every curse in my life. I break every curse right now. Curse, go. I'm flushing you out. You are bathing, and don't use soap. Some will say, I want to go and use soap and sponge. Don't use soap and sponge. Only the bowl that you are going to be taking the water from your bucket onto your head. Then when you are done with the head, don't come back to the head. You go to your shoulder, you go to your body, then let leg be the last. Then immediately you have done that, go out of the bathroom. Just go out. Take your towel and believe that curses are broken. After that, I'm telling you the truth, it works like magic. Believe. Some will say, you just that's simple. You are the one, you are the prophet of yourself. You are the prophet of yourself. You are moving from one mountain to another. Do you think that will work? I know that will not work. I'm telling you the real thing. Now we know you are the prophet of yourself. Within 2 to 5 minutes, you are done in the bathroom. You are going out because you have done whatever you want to do. Don't say you want to use sponge that day. Or probably if you want to use sponge normally. But that day that you want to do that, don't use sponge. Don't use soap. And you see, I wrote some comments. It's blood of Jesus that is capable of washing every curse? I believe. Is this that is washing the beginning and beginning? I believe. But as soon as you are looking at me, I want you to believe that this it works. So practice it. Don't tell anybody that this you will not be seeing miracles. Then you know it in your heart. It's what you have done secretly. That's why I say whenever you do something secretly, Jesus Christ even say, my Father in heaven will reward you where? Openly. So many things you can do secretly with your life. Only God will open. He said, if I want to bath for everybody, I want to bath with salt, I want to use salt, you are deceiving yourself. You have made public announcements of your life. Break that course and your generation will start enjoying. You start enjoying. Your children will start enjoying right from that moment. So thank you very much. Thank you for staying this far to hear this. This is a very simple thing and I want you to use it. By the time you use it, you're going to see testimony. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe and chat me up. Send message to me. It encourages me when I see your message, when I see people testifying, when I see people saying, oh, it works. Oh, I will go and try it. Oh, I will give it a try. And I want to tell you that nothing works for free. What I need from you is that faith. Can you release your faith to do it? That's the question. Release your faith and you see things working for you. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful day ahead. Stay blessed and be swimming in money. Be swimming in wealth. God bless you, Jesus.